we are done with the materials, so I had to put the materials at some particular locations because my rendering is not covering all the sites. So why do I feel the need to put the materials on everything? All right, so now we need to set our camera. So if you want to set your camera, you can come here, create Corona Sun. I'm sorry, I said camera, Corona Sun, sorry. Alright, so you can come here and see create Corona Sun, or you can come to this right hand side again. Then here under this light, normally is always in photometric. So when you click this light, it will be in photometric. So you have to click the drop down, then come to Corona. And under this Corona, you can see Corona light, you can see Corona Sun. So you click the Corona Sun. Then you come here. Let's should it be coming from this angle or this? Let's make it come from this angle. All right, so coming from here to this side, then the angle should be it will be like this. All right, so we have our Corona Sun here. As you can see, this is the Corona Sun. Then we're about to render our views, but before that we need to create our render elements. By render elements, I mean if you have light or anything that can affect your rendering, you have to select them. So here we come to the render setup, and in the render setup you come to scene. Under scene you have to make some adjustments. All right, so here at the setup light mix, and if you click this instance lights and click generate, all the lights in the view in your model will be selected automatically. All right, so let's generate that. Then here you don't need the passing, you don't need noise level. Just come to this denoising, then click Corona High Quality. Click Corona High Quality, then so when we feel the need to stop the rendering, we stop the rendering. Let's start with our second camera because I like that view. All right, so what else do we need to change? Viewport selection here. Corona High Quality. We already set up our. So if you set up your light mix there, and you come to this render elements, you will see the lights that are in the scene already. So here we have the interactive light mix. We have the environmental light. We have the Corona Sun, and we have rest. All right, so let's start with this view and render. It should take us some minutes, or should I say hours? It should take us quite some time, so let's just skip to the end where the renders are done, then we check the views out. Alright, so we are done with the rendering. This is the rendering now. Okay. So this is the rendering. As you can see, the light mix are not yet mixed together. Excuse me. Alright, so we are going to edit this. So we are going to reduce this sun to something like, let's try 0.4. 0.4 should be okay. 0.4 should be okay. So what we're going to do is we come to this post. So we set the white balance to 6000. 55. Let's keep it to 6000. Alright, so then we set the highlight compress. Let's reduce that. Probably that's too much. let's keep it to this one. Then the shadow is 0.2, 0.3. Alright, then let's go back to the light mix. Do we actually need bloom and glare? No, we don't. Alright, so let's go back to light mix. Then our environment, let's set this to 3. Alright, so we need to compress this highlight more. Alright, so something like this. Let's make it full screen. So alright, so you can see this very well right now. Light mix, let's make it 10. That's probably too much. Let's try 8. Alright, it is okay. Then the sun, let's increase the sun a bit. 2.75. Too much. 0.5. 0.5 is okay. Let's probably reduce this. Alright. So we are going to edit this in Photoshop. But let's save this. Let's save this here. Let's probably do the white balance to 6.5 to get that color. Yeah, 6.5 is okay. Let me reduce it. Then when we move it to Photoshop, the other post-processing is going to take place. But for now, let's save this here like this. So if you want to save for edits in Photoshop, you save as, okay, let's open the SPP first. And if you want to save as PNG, then if you press save, it will bring out some options for you. So we have the RGB 24 bits, we have the optimized palette, we have the grayscale, we have grayscale 16 bits. So mine is RGB 48 bit. Then you check the alpha channel if you want to edit the background. If you want to edit the background, like you have your own background you want to put, you check the alpha channel. But if you want to keep this background there, you uncheck the alpha channel. So I'm going to edit the background, so I will keep it checked. Then okay, so the PNG will save. Alright, so this is how we are going to do the other scenes. This is how we are going to do the other scenes and do the post-processing on Photoshop. Thank you for your time, and I hope you've learned one or two things in this video. Please kindly subscribe and like. Thank you.